Hello, greetings mga ka-spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat ng ating mga ka-spacers na nakatutok ngayon worldwide and netwide, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-spacer and space commander, Professor Jun Cajigal, welcoming you to another online telescope viewing. And this time my telescope is pointing at the waxing gibbous moon at around 98% illumination. Pero almost full moon na po mga ka-spacers, no? But the moon is still 98% illuminated. So considered pa rin ito na waxing gibbous moon. Ang full moon po natin ay bukas, June 14. Today is June 13, 2022. And right now you are viewing on screen our waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. So mga ka-spacers, join me in the next 20 minutes as we observe our waxing gibbous moon through the lenses of my telescope. And ito po yung telescope na ginamit ko for our lunar imaging tonight. This is a Vixen Custom 80mm refracting telescope equipped with a 15mm Plossil eyepiece na may nakakabit na cellphone camera. Yun po yung ginamit ko to capture this lunar image na nakikita ngayon on screen. Alright po mga ka-spacers, and in a few minutes we will be magnifying the image of our almost full moon. No? Waxing gibbous moon pa rin po ito. Again po, ang full moon po natin ay bukas, June 14. And by the way mga ka-spacers, ang full moon natin bukas ay isang super moon. Alright, so you heard that right mga ka-spacers. So the moon will be 14% larger than the normal. So super moon po ang ating buwan bukas. Alright, so isn't that exciting mga ka-spacers? And maraming mga nagsasabi na ang full moon po natin bukas ay strawberry moon, strawberry full moon. Alright, so or sinasabi nila na strawberry super moon. So ang full moon natin bukas will be called strawberry moon. Alright, ang supermoon po happens when the moon's orbit is closest to our Earth, presenting us with a larger and brighter full moon. And yung full moon po natin again bukas ay 14% bigger yan po than the normal. Ayan. And magiging mas maliwanag po yung buwan bukas. So sana may clear skies tayo bukas kagaya po ngayong gabi, June 13. At napakaswerte natin, we have clear skies tonight. Alright. Okay, and ang full moon po natin again bukas ay strawberry moon daw. Pero ako hindi ko masyado hindi ako mahilig magsabi ng mga wolf moon or strawberry. Basta ito yung waxing gibbous moon po. Yan po kasi yung mga sa American Farmers Almanac. Ayan po. Alright, so sinasabi po nila sa Amerika na strawberry moon daw has been used by the Native American Algonquin. Ito po isang tribo that live in the northern eastern United States or northeastern United States, as well as the Ojibwe, Dakota, and Lakota people, marking the ripening of June-bearing strawberries that are ready to be gathered. Yun ang tinawag nilang strawberry moon. Alright, pero sana huwag natin masyadong tangpiliin yung mga ganyan na pangalan ng buwan. Basta po waxing gibbous moon po ngayon at 98% illumination. And bukas po ay full moon at yan ay magiging isang super moon. Tomorrow will be a super moon event. Yeah, the moon will be 14% larger than the normal. Alright, so here we have now the magnified image of the waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. Alright, so nakikita nyo ngayon on screen, we have the Copernicus crater. Ayan po, no? Copernicus crater po yan. Kaya lang hindi na masyadong spectacular kasi napakaliwanag po nung loob. Ayan, hindi kagaya noon nung pag-waxing gibbous at 60% illumination or even pag-waning gibbous. Pero pag full moon, hindi masyadong maganda ang Copernicus crater. Right, and you can see those dark patches. Again, those dark patches are lunar plains or Marias. Kasi yung mga early astronomers and early sailors, they thought na yung mga dark patches na yan were bodies of water. And yung dark patch sa gitna na nakikita nyo on screen, that's the Sea of Tranquility kung saan po naglanding yung Apollo 11. Alright, at my telescope now is pointing. Ito po gumagalaw na po yung Montes Apenninus. Kaya lang hindi masyado ng spectacular kasi masyado na pong maliwanag. Alright, and ito po, my telescope now is moving, pointing at the Copernicus crater ulit. Again, the Copernicus crater, mga ka-spacers, is 93 kilometers across. Yan, and makikita din natin yung parang mga white lines, a pattern of white lines surrounding the rim of the Copernicus crater. Those are ejecta or rays na tinatawag natin. Alright, so ayan po yung Copernicus crater, and again we are now moving the telescope at the southern lunar highlands. Ayan po yung mga white areas na yan are lunar highlands and impact craters. So yung mga puti-puti na yan na parang butlig-butlig na puti, those are impact craters. And my telescope now is pointing yan po at the Tycho crater. Ayan po yung Tycho crater. The Tycho crater is named or was named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe. Alright. So ayan po yung Tycho crater. The Tycho crater is one of the most prominent craters on the moon. It appears as a bright spot in the southern lunar highlands. Ayan po na nakikita ngayon natin on screen, with rays of bright material that stretch across much of the near side of the moon. Okay. So ito po ulit, nasa northern part tayo ngayon ng buwan. Alright, and then nakikita nyo ulit yung Montes Apenninus. Alright. So itong malaking patch na ito, this is the Oceanus Procellarum, kung saan natin makikita yung Copernicus crater. Ayan po, no? So ano tayo, isipin nyo na lang po mga ka-spacers na para kayong sumisilip sa bintana ng Apollo spacecraft. Actually ang telescope po ay habang sumisilip ay parang kayo nasa spaceship. Yan din po yung aking pakiramdam pag sumisilip ako sa eyepiece ng telescope, para po ako nakasakay sa spaceship ng Apollo. Alright, and we are moving the telescope again dito sa southern lunar highlands. Ayan po, and ibabalik natin sa, yan, nakikita nyo yung Tycho crater. By the way, again, yung Tycho crater is about 85 kilometers across po yan, and has a depth of 4.8 kilometers. Ayan po mga ka-spacers. So that's our magnified image of our waxing gibbous moon. Alright, at 98% illumination. Pero almost full moon na po, no? Ang full moon po again ay bukas. Alright, June 14, and it's called a strawberry supermoon. No? Ang full moon bukas will be a supermoon of 2022. Again, a supermoon event occurs when the moon's orbit is closest to the Earth, presenting us with a larger and brighter image of the moon. And ang moon bukas is 14% larger. Ayan, so mas maliwanag po yung full moon natin bukas, and sana hindi maulap bukas para masilayan natin itong super moon. Alright. And ang tawag po ngayon sa full moon natin bukas ay strawberry moon daw. Okay, the strawberry moon name has been used by Native American Algonquin tribes that gives the northeastern United States as well as the Ojibwe, Dakota, and Lakota peoples to mark the ripening of June-bearing strawberries that are ready to be gathered. Kaya tinawag nilang strawberry moon. Alright, pero sa field ng astronomy, sana huwag nating tawagin yung mga ganyan, no? Strawberry moon, or wolf moon, or snow moon. Ayan, kasi parang hindi science. Alright, so we'll just call it waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. Bukas po ay full moon na super moon pa. Ayan po. Alright, so dun sa mga nakamiss kanina ng waxing gibbous moon, uulitin po natin, we will again magnify the image of the waxing gibbous moon. And mga ka-spacers, no, gusto ko lang pong i-clarify yung mangyayari sa June 23 and 24. Again, wala pong alignment ng planets. No, kasi baka isipin ninyo na yung mga planeta ay mag-a-align sa June 23 and 24. Ito po yung tinatawag po natin na planet parade. Ibig lang sabihin nito, makikita nyo yung 5 planeta sa kalawakan. No, na nandun silang lahat on the eastern sky. Hindi po alignment yan, but we can call it a planet parade. Alright, and the most spectacular planet parade will take place on the mornings of June 23 and 24. So masisilayan po natin yung 5 planeta na Venus, Mercury, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Ayan po. So hindi to alignment. Again, uulitin ko, hindi siya alignment. No, ang ibig lang sabihin nito, yung 5 planeta na yan ay makikita lang natin sa kalawakan. Yan na tinatawag natin na planet parade. Alright po. And you should start, kung gusto nyo makita itong mga planeta na to sa isang patch ng kalawakan natin, you should start your observations about an hour before dawn. And the planets will extend from east to south, mga ka-spacers, from north to east in the southern latitude. So gumising po kayo ng madaling araw, siguro mga alas 3, alas 4, and makikita nyo yung 5 planeta, no, nasa kalawakan po natin. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Yun ang tinatawag po natin na planet parade. At hindi po siya planetary alignment. Ayan po. So gusto ko lang pong i-clarify yan, no, sa mga nakikinig po sa atin ngayon at nanonood po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing. Hindi po planet alignment yan, kundi planet parade. Ibig sabihin po niyan, nakikita lang natin yung 5 planeta na yan sa kalawakan. Lahat sila nandun po on June 23 and 24 ng madaling araw. Alright po. So sana po na-clarify po natin yan, no, mga ka-spacers. Okay. So ayan po, no. Ang mangyayari sa June 23 and 24, magpapatuloy yan hanggang sa katapusan ng June. Makikita nyo yung 5 planeta na yan. Right, at sana makagawa tayo ng online telescope viewing on those days para mapakita ko sa inyo ang Jupiter and sana possibly Saturn. Right, maganda po yung Jupiter sa telescope and yung Saturn. Okay po. So doon sa mga katututok lang ngayon, we are now viewing on screen the magnified image of the waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. Alright, so nakikita nyo ngayon on screen yung malaking puti na yan na bilog. That's the Copernicus crater. Alright, and may makikita kayo mga patterns of white lines. Those are rays or ejecta. Alright, and those dark patches that you see on screen are lunar plains. No, those are solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava, but early sailors and early astronomers thought they are bodies of water. Kaya binigay na pangalan po yan ng Maria or Mare. And ayun po, nasa gitna yung Sea of Tranquility kung saan naglanding yung Apollo 11. Alright, so if you're fascinated by what you are seeing right now, if you are amazed, so just comment down below mga ka-spacers. Type down your comments, your reactions dito po sa ating comment section below. Ayan po. And if you have any questions about the moon or yung super moon bukas, just feel free to type in your comments po dito sa ating comment section below. Alright po, so yan po, binabalik po natin yung Copernicus crater. Ayan po mga ka-spacers, fascinating indeed. Okay. Ayan, so imagine niyo po mga ka-spacers na habang sumisilip kayo dito sa telescope, para kayo nakasakay sa Apollo spacecraft. And I am moving the telescope. Ngayon, nasa tayo mga ka-spacers, nasa Southern Lunar Highlands tayo. So yung mga bright areas na yan, those are lunar highlands and impact craters. And nakikita nyo ngayon on screen is the Tycho crater, and very prominent yung kanyang rays. Now, those are patterns of lines radiating along the rim of the Tycho crater. Yeah, the Tycho crater is about 85 kilometers across and about 4.8 kilometers deep. Ayan po, named after the renowned astronomer Tycho Brahe, who is one of the greatest of the naked eye astronomers. Ayan po, so napakalinaw ng ating telescope and yung camera that gives us this spectacular images of the waxing gibbous moon. Almost full moon na rin. And in a few hours po magpo-full moon na rin. And yung full moon pala natin bukas is a super moon. The moon will be 14% bigger bukas. So mas maliwanag po yung tingin natin bukas sa buwan. Ayan po. So kung clear po yung skies bukas, naku, magiging maliwanag yung ating night sky with our super moon tomorrow night. Ayan po. Tinatawag pa nila na strawberry super moon bukas. Okay, ang super moon po mga ka-spacers, that's an astronomical event when the moon's orbit is closest to the Earth, presenting us with a larger and brighter full moon. And again po, ang full moon bukas is 14% bigger. Okay, and tinawag din na bukas yan na strawberry moon, no? Kasi yung pangalan na strawberry supermoon, that's the name used by the Native American Algonquin tribes that live in the northeastern United States, marking the ripening of June-bearing strawberries that are ready to be gathered. Yan kaya tinawag na strawberry moon. Yan bukas, strawberry super moon tomorrow night. Ayan po. Okay, so sana nagustuhan niyo po yung ating magnified image of the waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. So almost full moon po tayo mga ka-spacers, and in a few hours, June 14, a full moon, and that is also a super moon event. Alright, so sana clear skies din bukas kagaya po ngayon June 13, at natsambahan po natin na talagang walang ulap at napakalinaw ng ating online telescope viewing of the waxing gibbous moon po ngayon. Alright po, so sana nagustuhan niyo po yung ating online telescope viewing. And again, pakiusap po mga ka-spacers, lalong-lalo na po sa mga nakatutok po ngayon, to please like and share this online telescope viewing. Ikalat po natin ito para ma-inspire po naman yung mga kabataan natin na maging engaged sa siyensya, no? Lalong-lalo na ang astronomiya. So please like and share this online telescope viewing. Ikalat po natin to mga ka-spacers para makita ng mga tao yung ganda ng ating almost full moon, waxing gibbous moon at 98% illumination. Alright, and also please follow us on our Facebook page, the Beran Society of Young Astronomers. Please follow us also on our Facebook page, the Sky Watchers Society of Las Piñas. And follow also my Facebook page, the Science Guy Ka-Spacers channel. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Science Guy, Professor Jun Cajigal. And please click on that notification bell. I-click nyo na po, pindutin nyo na po mga ka-spacers. At bilang tulong nyo na rin sa akin yan para magpatuloy ang ating advocacy to share the good news of science and technology to the whole world, mga ka-spacers. Okay, so siguro hanggang na lang tayo. And bukas sana clear skies mga ka-spacers para masilayan po natin ang super moon event tomorrow, June 14, 2022. Ayan, the moon will be 14% larger. So magiging mas maliwanag po ang buwan bukas. Sana po clear skies bukas. No? Sana wag maulap. Yun talagang ng astronomy. Astronomy, observational astronomy is at the mercy of the clouds. Alright, so habang mahina po yung habagat pa hanggang ngayon, sana makita natin po yung buwan. Alright, at medyo iniingal na po ako, so iinom muna po ako ng Coke, sandali lang po. Ay, salamat po mga ka-spacers. So hanggang dito na lang po tayo mga ka-spacers. Ayan po, so this is your Ka-Spacer and Space Commander, Professor Jun Cajigal, saying, live long and prosper. Marami pong salamat sa mga nakatutok po ngayon. And again, please like and share this online telescope viewing. Alright po, so see you po. Sana bukas makapag-online telescope viewing tayo of the strawberry supermoon. Alright, pero again po, sana huwag natin masyadong gamitin yung mga terms na yan doon sa Farmer's Almanac. So tawagin lang natin full moon and super moon bukas po, June 14. Maraming salamat po. See you in our next online telescope viewing. Bye-bye!